is absolutely nothing wrong with aging, but there is also absolutely nothing wrong with wanting to look your best in every aspect of your life, whether this is your career, your family, or purely for yourself. Sometimes the first signs of aging that tend to show up as fine lines, wrinkles, sagging skin can put a dent in one's self-esteem or body image. And this is when I would say a woman looks for a liquid facelift, for that holistic approach to face rejuvenation. In a liquid facelift, I use a combination of thermal fillers, including hyaluronic acid and real biostimulators, strategically injected in my own technique that restores loss of volume, lifts the skin, corrects wrinkles, and fantastically improves the skin quality. Can make people look years younger and fresher immediately. And yes, the results are only natural. People come back only happier, they glow differently, they smile a lot. Yes, I would definitely say they feel much more confident with their face. And when you look your best, you also tend to feel your best.